My name is Zishan Zia. The book I am going to discuss today is A Thousand Splendid Sun, written by Khalid Hosseini. In fact, I was having an argument with a Afghani friend of mine on women rights in Afghanistan. So he recommended me this book. It is written by Khalid Hosseini, who is an Afghan American writer. He was born in Afghanistan, but later on he moved to Paris after 9/11. 9/11 incident when Soviet Union occupied Afghanistan. In this book, he just discussed the life of two girls. One is Mariam and one is Laila. Mariam was married to a man in Kabul when she was only 15 years old, and he just discussed about other problems and shortcomings that are faced by women in Afghanistan. So this is basically about that topic.
Alright, that's a nice book. It's got a kite runner as well, same writer.
Yes, mountains equal.
Exactly. This is good. So just try to be a little more interested in your presentation. लगना चाहिए कि आपका अपना इंटरेस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा है. ठीक है, आपने थोड़ा सा हिस्ट्री को आगे पीछे किया. सोवियत यूनियन का जो था इन्वेजन वो 9/11 से पहले था. Right? उसके बाद 9/11 battles came and all that. That's good. Thank you. Overall, it's fun.